Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rich, Problem Solved. First of all, I want to thank everyone. Hit 100 subscribers recently. So, I mean, you know, you look at my content, I'm actually surprised. So I want to thank everyone actually for sticking with me. You know, I do this because I like to do it, and I hope I'm helping. I know I am. You know, I've had several comments thanking me for some of my videos. So I'm gonna plan on keep it going. And thanks again, 100 subscribers, big accomplishment. Took about a year, but it goes to show you, you know, I mean, that's not a huge accomplishment compared to some people, but you know, I'm not out here shilling the latest cryptocurrency or showing, you know, how to get around the latest iOS feature, or you know, I could do some tutorials on more computer related stuff, but you know, I'm more of a hands-on guy. As far as you know, I do computers daily, so generally that stuff, there's so much out there. I don't know that I could add too much right now, but I probably will be adding some more content, you know, surrounding that type of technology and stuff. But you know, again, I like getting my hands dirty, and I think you know, the mechanical type stuff, I think there's less out there. So again, anyone can do it. You can too. Believe it or not, people find your stuff, and I want to thank everyone for sticking with me. So I had a Mr. BoobTube. I think he's a subscriber. He's definitely a watcher, a viewer. He had made a comment, you know, let's see it blow some snow, about my Yardmax. You know, I never said I'm promoting the Yardmax, although I will. It's a good machine. You find me a $400, whatever, maybe $500 machine, and you pick it apart and then put it up against this Yardmax. And, you know, I got it for clearing some small, you know, small snowfalls, maybe figured 6 inches it should be able to do. The Mr. BoobTube said, let's see it do 8 inches. So I actually, you know, I don't have a production crew, as you can tell, a little low budget here. I'm all on my own. So I tried, I did actually record the Yardmax at work. We got over here, got 18 inches. So I think that'd be a good indication of how it does, right? I think he said it's a 198cc engine. I hadn't even looked at the specs. Sounds about right. But that's what I'm going to post for you next. So as you can see, you make your own decision, but I'm pretty happy with it. Maybe you have to go a couple of times back and forth. But, you know, for the size of it, the weight of it, to store it, you know, it's convenient. Started every time so far since I had it. So yeah, I guess I would promote it. You know, I guess I would say it's a good, my experience is it's a good machine. So thanks again everyone for watching, and without any further ado, here's my recording. Probably shouldn't recommend doing this, recording while I was snowblowing with the Yardmax.